Hey y'all, let's make these nacho taco wings. We're going to use taco seasoning as our seasoning. You can use the whole pack if you have more wings. I only had a few, so I just used a little bit of it. And then I am going to mix everything around so that it's seasoned on all sides. So I'm going to add in a beaten egg. If you have more chicken, you'll add 2 eggs. All right, next I'm going to use Cool Ranch Doritos. You can use whatever Dorito flavor you like. I'm going to crush those up. So I'm going to add the chicken to the bag, shake everything up on a medium-high heat. I'm going to fry my chicken. Be mindful that the chips have a lot of seasoning, so they will darken fast when you fry them. So just put them in for a couple of minutes and then flip them over and just keep an eye out for them until they're done, but you don't want to burn them. So just keep your temperature at a medium-high heat. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if this is your first time here. For my returning viewers, I appreciate you. So I'm taking the chicken out, and then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of shredded cheese. You can add your favorite toppings for nachos. I put a little bit of jalapeno salsa with some sides of sour cream and guacamole, and this was so good. Let me know if you try it, how you like it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.